Maame no so de so wan free Ghana anton kopim be wukuada efiada ombache no because me can on authority wan free Ghana kodu be wukuada fiada ya anchilo ya kusi aye beche no because signature bia kodi baby a sa signature no nipa crossing no na sign into asoma ne lawyer so wonko court no nko je krata ne bi nipa cross one de ohu on social media no o person pretend say AI into ama ne lawyer ko court akoje krata ne bi amene di dance say won no ne signature da court na ne lawyer e dey akọ police station no ma be chire nipa that signature no was signing and then also there was signing and then also there was signing and then also there because me there signature no minimum say almost scanning na minim letter kura di pa the signature to so a ema omunya the signature koye den e ko scanning na mentena hang me pese metena kra ni motutu kra ni asam ne ba me ba be chiremu ni pa kro ne letter na wo tro ye letter kro no tro ne ba out na no se letter ne nye no kore no sa letter ne signature na omodi akoye ntu hye papa shi di akoye na dwuma no letter of administration no ni pa kro say woni mohwe ena one sign ehwe ena one ma wo bia to me is one sign en san fani din enko baabi enti ebeja ni nyina menyame
nyame dia ya me nwanwa ne se presido yi u kai lete yi a ya twere to say the two wives also ma mi di gina court to say won ko ane yire na no person chere afi waji atumu ana
person chere say legal wives na jimi ba wo Ghpagetv dia obeturo mu say the two wives on tell say but obekuro mo ba be ka chere mo so no kwa na only wife
eno so say nyanhwe o mu ma ase ha metie bi o
aso o majimi meme wasa ku oni man ka me hu sa letter ya eda we akra ka ku
mi ko me hwe letter ni din say wo kope bibi oba na woni na etwe manso eno ma file apia ma lawyer aji musika kakrakai the din na ade ahye so said that the two wives are Akosua Serwaa Fosu the first applicant and Priscilla Fosu AK wadi ni guy name no krasa penis so president
wadi odobro ni din Ghpagetv enti no eno de all Ghpagetv de omu ye two wives on tell
na presido me busa asem o na den na shendra no ama enye no na woni passport ni ID so ana
Akosua Serwaa Fosu no kran so ni ID so
nti akade betimi kura ka chan
so cry of fraudulent
na make won presido ti na me wa hey
Akosua Serwaa Fosu no se wodi akoye Ghana card a wo ba ye no de abaye Ghana card enti ye be check data Ghana card no mo de ye only ID be a bury the name Akosua Serwaa Fosu. She doesn't.
Any mami send ya wo ni ya no de akeka ko de no obayi obani wo yamu ne manyina asem pa na eba no Ghana hamra wa ho enche wo a
na wo
ni na musa
documents at the court. Who is Akosua Serwaa Fosu? Who is Akosua Serwaa Fosu? And with which ID and amode back is ID no
any
so be the
presido say 5 for her mama ya wo wherefore e wo English mu ana said therefore
wherefore I swear to this affidavit and some can is a correct
legit okay any wa chire mu why me nua na wo bisa
legit legit English. So was swear affidavit no. And to watch wo mo a or like it's a very legit English. However, it's a correct statement. However, legal documentation, ID card bang, and a bed the name Akosua passport. A dear in a bear Akosua Serwaa Fusu. Who is Akosua Serwaa Fusu? And now Oma Kwaya Ghana card and Raya.
Na presido send ya wo si ka se yensie nipa yi a yenya bere ahwa ye.
If she has been able to acquire a Ghana card with Akosua Serwaa Fusu, the question is birth certificate being an idea document and I want to support a dear Akosua Serwaa Fusu because that is not her name. Hence, it can't appear in any documentation. That's not her official name. She doesn't have any ID card that bears that name. Legal document.
Major padienti and no so ne kwan so ana.
One never loved Lumba. Akosua Serwaa stopped loving Lumba at some point. If you go back and read the court judgment, Lumba was settled Akosua Serwaa per Lumba's lawyers. Wajane Ghpagetv in the businesses. Ojani bibia de Akosua Serwaa or Germany as settlement. And what court me say obian per judgment ni bi non kind. It is in the judgment. I am not making it up. This is in the judgment. And what judgment, and what court judgment here making. And to obian aminye koshini, look for the judgment and read it. Look for that. Let me see if I have a screenshot here. Akosua Serwaa, per the judgment, has been settled by Lumba. Has been settled by Lumba. But, and she said, if she's been settled by Lumba per the judgment, the question is, why is she doing this? The question is, the question is, they are separated, they are not divorced, but they are not married. Everybody is going about their life. Is that who they were? Yes.
Wow.
Akosua Serwaa sitting right now on do Lumba. And not to know me and any assistant, you soon to me yesterday. Embano.
Presido tie de wo mu yese rob we kuma ase nyina so Georgina Tony nyina nu na wo handkerchief no de bo nani ana kakra ba no de
me, I cannot fault the woman. Oye nipa. Ono na wo ubetimi ado ade bi na ade na ye bibi na do na wo mu no etuko.
Sa
Ye nyina at some point near do be ma bia. And it's okay. You moved on. So did the man. You moved on. Akosua Serwaa ebeba Ghana no offer phone. Seeking permission wodo brunio. Ne mano ene busa wodo bruni so mo maame betumi aba. Ansa na Akosua Serwaa etimi akofio. Ne mano chia atwi ho ewa Asem we mu no should tell you something. So what Jimmy mpo. Enjufu se nkola we wo mo tan wo mo maame saa se na Ghpagetv no mo maame preni na kenye wo mo no mo pre ama wo mana. It should signal something to you. E wo se timi ka bibi kire wo. E wo se timi ka bibi e kire wo. Uye badrimba. This should tell you something. Akosua Serwaa ma no mo nya nkola wo. Omunye nkola. And then I can say, Ghpagetv will pray ama wine. And then the mano. And 247 kwala we pa nim say. Odo bronya beji wo mo maame kunu. En kwala we pa nim say. Omo papa ni omo maame aware wo mo ntam. En kwala ni nyina tudi odo bronya echi no.
Asem presido.
Omo appeal omo dey ko. Grounds of appeal 1. The High Court erred when it held that the marriage certificate exhibit B1, B2, and B1 and B2 was inadmissible per se. Judge ni chire mu pointly. Ewiase baby a ye wo kwan a ye fa so ye de tender evidence. Sa wo ba to America ha. Now person with a certificate, ebeku school ha. You need to go and authenticate. It needs to go to the ministries. Maybe to me call me certificate, not me my printing na me their brom. It doesn't work like that. I appeal here omuko just a way Jimmy. Appeal court yema will be a major on my counter. Judgment no. And it's a kusia trust say 1. Oni to say exhibit no. Court is wo moji enye ye. Court is wo moji enye ye because papa she na de bae. Court is wo moji a enye ye. If you say process a ye de present documents no, enye sa process no eno mo fa so. Appeal number 2. The court erred when it held that Section 161 of the Evidence Act is a condition precedent for putting weight on an admitted document. Why not? Sir precedents no any judge no necessity here. Any judge no any necessity here. E wo dada ya shemra ya wo mra ya faso a tender document as evidence, especially when it's coming from a foreign country. Forging a signature, a criminal offense. Send me who said the echo. One say, and call for prayer and call for prayer and call for prayer and call for prayer on. Now we jawo mono ma prayer because an idiot will do nothing but commit crime. And a lot of crimes has been committed. Me mamu good morning oh. Na e kwan be so na mo fa so munya death certificate any burial certificate abra efunu sha fridge mu efunu e sha fridge mu munya burial certificate me boa is about to go down. Good morning. What would you bribe with birth and death no? Ube koje. Onipa yensie no chef fridge ma utimi issue burial certificate. Obeche burial permit to kwa udi issue burial certificate Insro Ironia is Ministry of Fraudulent Documents. And we Ministra Papa Shine Ministra Shendela. What's that?
That's right. I was still fired. This should have some many running.
Oh, maybe be a mama. Me share meet and greet no the orange, you know.
we dia re ho pa o na se me ba asante yo na asase na me sha so mo se timi da wa ko yo mo dia me dia mamo ni no mo so mo ma me ho ntome ei ni no mo so mo mpene se me jai ka mo afa mo no mo kwa aka me dia mamo e dia asem a e dia na mo dia e dia me e dia na omo no enso no betumi aha no be asem ba bi ni mo be kapa asema e dia ya yi bia e be ka mo ka mo pa se ni e ti ka bia mamo dia ka mo be ka Adia na wo ye na esom obi ama na anytime timesra wadwa so wo betie mi a
na if show obi na mnyim baby am dia akoto say ni nyina no meet and greet dwa bi fosu aboa no kwa donto no ministry dwa bi fosu ena
ministry what the build the foundation man ho and today tell me put him legal wife for yeah but today because my man when we ministry when you go be say what then Asem say better so no dey come ministry ma no nyame and today tell me piano and today tell me
hey the pushers of the gospel any na ministry
when ministry what the build the foundation man ho and today tell me put him legal wife for yeah but today because my man when we ministry when you go
ministry bani yokushiana se ministry eba ministry bani yokushiana na mujira won say wo ye hwan ye be kwa koshia ministry moye den ministry ye be kwa koshia no obi antumi nsi ye kwan obi ani wa ye be ma ne kwan se won si ye kwan se ministry shendele ba e ma ye nkoshia no obuwa Mama
Asem ho. Many no more this from Asem ho. Me kwa na me oba ye penyin na da o montam. Me ka wo mon semu wie. But me tempo ho e be kon ye mama Akosua se wa asem ma no.
Obi asuma.
Because na asem no e ka obi akoma.
Obi asuma se.
Aka won tua obi aka.
Ontua obi aka mo jiji skedi akonforma. Obi asuma.
Ye be yama asante eja asem ne kam. Eja mama na asem ka ene me ye be straight e dia mama. Me ye be straight e dia mama.
Straight ya.
Me ka asem akira ho. E fi na kweti legal wife for. Me adua ye fe me mommy ye fe ma sante pen.
Shedi o kire.
E fi na play ma Akosua se wasam no me ne mu bi. Ti legal wife for e. Me de mama.
O ka.
Me women sa e fi ma me na se. Mo fa se mo kwa asa na kwa competition. Ye betimi aka, ye betimi aya, e di se me wo mama. E fi na play me nya wo bi mani me di matam. E mo nya me ho call.
Josie obi anya.
Obi ma me ja baby. Ameka sa shanti. And it's legal wife for. I'm of sebe. Kwasia bi Jimmy phobia wa mo bra. Obi anya.
Obi anya.
I want Jimmy on.
Obi anya.
Why Jimmy on? Tell me to kwa na mo wai.
Hey.
Hey, mother, that you. Bradinga. Mo bi kwa me dem ababa sam. Hey, 26 baby wom. Hey, baby wa hono.
Hey, umunyai. Ekuo ni die.
Oh. Na this operation omoko. Na I say na smell sika chem say ni say mind me ana. Wo ran nom say oh. Enti sada na de tie ni. Wa change the date no 1 or 2 bia. Because there what be wo Ghana won we into change the date no. E just send it say do one my date na. Say na catch them date ni do e be man here. And when you catch them enter ignore them. They are looking for attention. Oh. Don't you get when you get my can over to me whenever I blow.
Your bobra be din Miami no. Men pasa me made man no beka. Oh, shais about shakabra shabra shikato bra bra. Any after money can do money cannot want to know. Oh, baby. And I driving for you. Nega no ni aboni dino. Kwa donto no da memo no nega no ni aboni dino. Nega no. Be ma kon consent ni kon consent lumba pamo ni woni fie na nega no ni aboni dino.
Any Afia money can do money cannot won't turn off. Yes, oh, Meba, me baby. And I driving for you. Oma will be friend me. Baby, me money do one end or about door, me money do. And a brand friend no say, driving for you, I see what make us say in me. And not me panami, you know, send the record. When you so, me, my memory recording it to me. Dito ba? Where the hell? Mami, can't you have what I mean? I mean, come on, some also do dear you are. I didn't say any doors. Get the two so be my mother so could not say I but could continue from a so called. I meet you. One many up there. Get the two so be my mother so open so could be my man. What? And I'm going to why you block the door. And I'm a back with your media. And I'm back as the same. Yes, my man. Me you send the recording in your demand. I wish you for 1 year. And I'm a dagio, a quiet flyer at the upper. A dagio, my quiet flyer at the upper. At the upper to be paid. Me we ya better me flyer no. At the council, the family and Yamiko. At the council, the bomb said, ta. Now go for me and go for me. And I'm so. Maybe no more. Yes, I won't so kuma. That's you know.
But again, also quiet. As what in the sick quiet and fire. I shan't take no manufacture fire. Was what in the sick quiet. Hey, I want to you. Was what in the sick quiet. Or manufacture fire. So poor woman, I won't see. What did I need here? I run here. I have some get one. Sadia. Maybe to me, baby, you. Any of Swami send me, say. Me buy me 3 days, no more, man. And I'm going to why you back with door. And I'm back with your media. And I'm back as the same. Yes, my man. Me buy me, you need send the recording in your demand. I wish you for 1 year. And I'm a dagio, a quiet flyer at the upper. A dagio, my quiet flyer at the upper. At the upper to be paid. Me we ya better me flyer no. At the council, the family and Yamiko. At the council, the bomb said, ta. Esu. Me go for free me. And go for free me. And I'm so. Maybe no more. Yes, I won't so kuma. Now, you know, can say Bishama, you know, in a friend say, this should have less some many running. Me means you, or run one night the whole day. And I'm saying, me name is Uncle. So me means not the whole day. No, baby, I need this should have found on my airport or your project, Nana. And I get my milk by Bonipi. Sa question on a month for my men to us. Namumusani ye. See, not the whole day. No, baby, I need this. Mamma, no, one night the whole day will suka home, more. Will suka home. Ma will want to acquire the narco commit a crime. Will suka home. Or your fryer. You say, President, me, I am in one, sent to mammy. Oni enim de fo bi e beta na chiama na hu sade a wo ye nkwasiafo ne dooso nto onti omu anyansafo yi kakda. I am president. I am. And yes, toilet ro ne de articulator eno